Imagine a star so dense that a teaspoon of its matter outweighs Mount Everest. When massive stars explode, their cores collapse into neutron stars, ultra-compact remnants spinning at dizzying speeds. Some of these cosmic dynamos emit powerful beams of radiation, sweeping through space like lighthouse beacons. When aligned just right with Earth, these beams pulse rhythmically, creating signals so precise they rival atomic clocks. These objects, called pulsars, help scientists study gravity, test the limits of physics, and even map the galaxy's structure.